I ask you about that. Can our India be a 5 trillion nation or 5 trillion economy by the end of 2024? Most of my friends answered no. But my answer is yes. Yes, we can become a 5 trillion economy by the end of 2024 if we follow few steps. And let me explain with examples. I think we all know about SDGs, Sustainable Development Goal. Today I am going to discuss about SDG 6, that is clean water and sanitary. Under this clean water and sanitary SDG 6, our government launched one scheme, that is Jal Jeevan Yojana, and this scheme promises that by the end of 2024 our government is going to provide pipe facility, actually water pipeline facilities to each and every houses of rural area. So here one question arises that by giving pipeline facilities to the rural area people, how it can increase our GDP? Let me explain it. By giving pipeline facilities to the rural area people, there is an increase of demand in pipes. So we have to set up more pipeline industries, and this is going to generate much more job opportunities. So people are going to get employed directly or indirectly, and that people are going to pay tax. And in this way, we can get one step closer to our mission 5 trillion GDP and 5 trillion economy, right? And let me share one more thought of mine. I think we all know that 55% of our population in India is involved in agricultural activities, and 19 to 20% of our GDP is a contribution from agricultural sector. Our farmers are producing much more than we need, but why still the benefit from agricultural section is less as comparison to US? Let us analyze it. Our farmers are producing corn, and the farmers of US are also producing corn. But in our country India, we consume corn in a simpler manner by boiling it or by roasting it. But in US, they use corn in several ways. They use corn for making corn syrup, for making cornstarch, and even for making alcoholic beverages. So it is quite obvious that the demand of corn in US is much more as comparison to India, because their corn is processed one. Their corn is having some commercial value. So for that reason they are able to generate much more profit as comparison to India. So from this we can conclude that to get maximum benefit from our agricultural sector, we have to set up more agro-based industries. We have to process our food, we have to add minerals and values to it, and we have to increase its commercial value, so that in this way we can be a 5 trillion economy by the end of 2024. Not only a 5 trillion economy, we may excel, we can be a 6 or 7 trillion economy. That's all. Thank you.